Here we are, arrived on a job. There's the vans down there and the septic tank. Lovely property in Warwickshire. Okay, this is where the main drains are coming through the middle of the patio. And they're working their way down to this cone. That's the manhole, connecting to 160mm today. Okay, and then as you can see by the weeds there, the pipe runs straight down, and over there in that clump is where the old septic tank is. In there, we're going to have to scrape the top off. I'll do some video once it's done. So what we intend to do is back up to the manhole. So we'll be tapping into the pipe around about here, and then we'll be fitting the new septic tank to the left hand side, sorry, the right hand side of the existing one. The old one will get decommissioned and backfilled, and the new one's going to go in that area there. Beautiful house.
Okay, we've got all the measurements required.
Right, that's the old brick septic tank completely gone, smashed up. We decided to put the septic tank over here, the new one. This is the new one we're just installing now. Bit of a fight. The ground's very wet, and it just keeps caving in, so kind of fighting it. We'll get there, it's not a problem. We will get there, it's just causing a bit of a mess. So there's going to be a hell of a tidy up on this job. And there we go, we've got the gravel delivered over there. You can see that at the back of the pond. And what we're doing now is we're just filling the tank up with water, just to give it a bit of weight before we completely backfill. So yeah, that's the plan, that's what we're doing. We are just filling the tank. A bit of weight in there. And this is what we've got to backfill. Just heading down to the hard standing now to pick up the gravel. This is the brand new digger we've just had delivery from Clements. This is a rental. If anybody's in Warwickshire or surrounding areas, this company is brilliant. Absolutely first class. those soakaway crates. Half the hole for the soakaway crates, and then running all the way up the field, all the way up there, and the septic tank is up there at the top of them where the pipes are laying down. Alright, bit of an update. I've had to replace all of this pipe because it was clay and in very bad condition, so this is all had new pipe in it here. That's the septic tank. You can't see much of it now, but there is a tank in there. What we're doing is working at overweight here. We're going to have a manhole here, and then we're running all the way down the field to the soakaway, and the soakaway is going to be over there near the tree, not too close to it though. And that's where we are at the moment.
Okay, mate. Stop there a minute, Carl. Okay, a bit more, mate. I'll do you.
Just reading your t-shirt. Jake, just reading your t-shirt.
Okay, a bit more, mate. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, mate, just slowly at that. Yeah, hang on. Yeah, go on, slowly at that. Get out. Yeah, go on, you've got him all. Fair, mate. Oh, I think it's in it. That way now. Keep going, Cal. That's me a little bit. That's me, Cal, if you can. Okay, get it up. Get it, mate. Okay, mate, a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, go.
Right, here we are. New manhole fitted, new pipe work down here, new septic tank there, inspection cover there, and then it runs down to the soakaway over by the van. It's been an interesting job. The soakaway and septic tank had failed for so long that all this area here was just completely boggy, and it's been a lot of hard work to get it to this level. This is nowhere near the finished level. The customer wants it all topsoiled and grass seeded, which we're quite happy to do, no problem at all. We're just fighting with it a little bit because of the weather, so we could do with a few good days of sunshine to get it all dried. Then we'll go over it with a mini digger and get it all seeded and looking perfect. There we go, just an update. Still plodding away at it. It's been a tough job because there used to be a septic tank there, and as far as we can tell they never had it emptied, and because it was in a field they just ignored it and it just overflowed. So we've got something like a 40 square metre bog, which has not been pleasant to be honest with you. So it's been a bit of a battle, this one has. But we're getting there now. It's looking a lot better. It just needs a bit of time to dry out. And yeah, there's the new septic tank there. And then you can't see it now, but the soakaway has been put over there between the tree and the van. And we've also repiped it up to that traffic cone there. We've got a new manhole there, and it's had all new pipe down it. It was in really bad condition. There you go.